Germany, Spain, Italy, all living under tighter restrictions this morning. Belgium's hospitals, some of the worst hit, warning of a tsunami of COVID cases. Ireland beginning a 6-week national lockdown with schools staying open.
We cannot and will not allow our children and young people's futures to be another victim of this disease.
Europe's coronavirus second wave feels a lot like Groundhog Day, but without the same community spirit as the first time. The streets of many cities deserted, its people often divided. Protests against police and political leaders, small but vocal.
It's about living, not just surviving.
And at times, violent. Britain's Prime Minister, Boris Johnson, struggling to keep control, imposing a lockdown on a resistant city of Manchester.
Not to act would put Manchester's NHS and the lives of many of Manchester's residents at risk.
The announcement greeted by boos. Manchester's mayor visibly stunned, demanding more financial support.
This is no way to run the country in a national crisis.
Europe has recorded over 8 million confirmed cases of COVID so far, including almost 1 million new infections in the past week, the highest among the World Health Organization's 6 regions. The WHO's coronavirus envoy telling NBC News people must prepare for a holiday season unlike any before.
I personally want to see grandchildren, one of whom I haven't yet seen, and I hope that will be possible, but I'm well aware that I'm going to have to be behaving differently from how I would have done last year.
The Pope wearing a mask for the first time. 11 Vatican Swiss guards have been infected.
Many Europeans, guys, thought they had conquered coronavirus. Many governments now being criticised for not preparing with things like track and trace. It's hard to exaggerate how tough it is now for people working in bars, in restaurants, taxi drivers to face this all over again. Guys, we're really learning here and there that this is not just a health challenge, it's an economic challenge and a psychological challenge, guys.